I'm Philip Ma with Golden View Renovation. I was the sales project manager for this bathroom renovation project in Burlingame. I met with the client to understand their vision and requirements, and then we developed a scope of work for the project. Once we decided on the scope of work, I then brought in our incredible designer, Alexandra, and our awesome production manager, Mike, to implement the project.
Hello, my name is Alexandra and I'm a lead designer at Golden View. As you can see, we used natural stone tile mosaics on the floor. It's two types of stone matched in a mosaic in a square pattern, which brings a lot of interest to the floor. We bring some warmth with a wooden color vanity by Porcelanosa and made a custom top for that to make it low maintenance. For plumbing fixtures, you see I used the Lux Gold by Delta. It's very nice finish, a little bit brushed, not too overwhelming as a usual gold, and it works perfectly against green tiles, as you can see.
Thank you for tuning in and hearing from what my lead designer, Alexandra, had to say about this bathroom. If you have any questions about your renovation, please don't hesitate to reach out and have a conversation with us. And I look forward to being on your next project. Thank you.